Good morning, everyone. Cancer is a disease that can occur at any age. This is a disease that starts in our cell. Normally, a cell will grow, work, reproduce, and die, which makes us healthy. But sometimes this order gets confused, causing the cells to form lumps or tumors, which can be spread to other parts of the body by bloodstream or lymphatic system. The impact of cancer is very hard physically, emotionally, and financially. When cancer is found earlier, it is easy to treat. So let us see how to find out earlier the signs of cancer by means of understanding the warning signs of cancer. CAUTIONOUS is the acronym given for the warning signs of cancer. Let us see what is CAUTIONOUS. Change in bowel and bladder habits, a sore that does not heal, unusual bleeding or discharge, thickening or lump in the breast or elsewhere, indigestion or difficulty in swallowing, obvious change in wart or mole, nagging cough or hoarseness, unexplained anemia, and sudden weight loss. These are the 9 warning signs of cancer. Let us see what is change in bladder or bowel habits. A sudden change in bladder or bowel habits, which is not regular, including diarrhea or constipation, or a change in the stool caliber, or a feeling of incomplete bowel emptying even after defecation, that may be a symptom of colon cancer. Likewise, in case of bowel habits, a change in bladder function, its frequency, or dysuria, retention, or hematuria may indicate prostate or bladder cancer. A sore that does not heal. Delayed healing of a sore or a change in the skin lesion size, color, or shape, particularly which is the surface exposed to ultraviolet rays, can represent basal cell or squamous cell cancer. Sores that itches, hurts, or bleeds and does not heal more than 4 weeks must be taken care. Or in case of alcoholics and smokers, long-lasting oral lesions or leukoplakia may be a symptom of oral cancer. And persistent sores or itching of vulva can indicate pre-invasive or malignant lesions. The next one is unusual bleeding or discharge. Any unusual bleeding or discharge can signify malignancy. Like in case of colorectal cancer, there may be occult or bright red blood discharge through the stool. In case of cervical or endometrial cancer, abnormal vaginal bleeding and abnormal menstrual bleeding can happen. A clear milky or bloody discharge from the nipple is an indication of breast cancer. Hemoptysis, that is, blood in sputum, is an indication of lung cancer. Hematuria can be a symptom of bladder, renal, or prostate cancer. The next is thickening or lump in breast or elsewhere. A painless lump or mass is the most common presenting sign of CA breast and testis. Then indigestions or difficulty in swallowing. Indigestion, it is common to all, but when it is occurring in a sudden way, or in a sudden if the onset is sudden and which is painful, that may be an indication of CA stomach. Indigestion, GERD, or painful spasm after eating or difficulty in swallowing can be the symptoms of cancer of esophagus or pharynx. Next is obvious change in wart or mole. A change in mole's color, pigmentation pattern, irregularities in its border, surface topography, or increasing size, which is usually occurring in men and women. In the upper back, also in case of older people, it is the common sites are neck, scalp, and face and ears. So these changes in the wart or mole can be an indication of skin cancer. Nagging cough or hoarseness, the next warning sign. Persistent productive cough is the most frequently reported symptom of lung cancer. And in case of CA larynx or thyroid, there may be hoarseness of voice. Then the next one is, the eighth one is unexplained anemia. Most of the cancers, they can cause anemia. Like iron deficiency anemia is common among bowel cancer. But we cannot confirm the diagnosis without an endoscopy or extra studies of the upper and lower intestinal tract. Then the last one is sudden weight loss. The people who are diagnosed as cancer might have some weight loss at some point of time. But when there is a unexplained weight loss, that means your weight is reducing without any reason. Like you are not going to purposefully, you are not trying to lose your weight by using dieting or exercising without any reason. If your weight is decreasing more than 5 kg or more than that, that may be the first sign of cancer. Usually this weight loss, sudden weight loss is occurring in case of CA pancreas, CA stomach, CA esophagus and lungs. So these are the warning signs of cancer. By identifying and understanding the warning signs, identifying and understanding the warning signs, we can easily identify, and or also earlier identification is possible by understanding the warning signs. So this is all about the warning signs of cancer, which is formulated by the American Cancer Society. Thank you.